Hi, let me show you how to turn on AirDrop on iPhone. So for that, we have two ways. First one is for settings and second is through Control Center. So let's go in settings first. Here, tap on General and find AirDrop in the list. Now, if you want to turn it on, then you need to select one of those two options. Contacts only, if you would like to share some files with people in your contacts list, or everyone for 10 minutes. And with this way, you can share some files even with random people if AirDrop is turned on their devices as well. So make sure to select one of those two features and go back. Now you can just open any file you want to share with, tap AirDrop, and if some devices nearby got AirDrop turned on as well, then you will see the name of the device in this section, which you can click and share some files. Great, now the second way is through Control Center, so you can just swipe down from the top right corner to trigger it. Then tap on the square section with essential tools such as Wi-Fi and airplane mode, and you will see AirDrop. So again, choose either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. And also you will see that the icon will be blue when AirDrop is turned on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.